Hi, my name is Crispix. I've been an amateur digital artist for about 20 years now, which seems a bit crazy. I'd like to try and grow my YouTube to see where I can go with it. I'd like to do more of these drawing in the background, talk over type videos. I'm not really sure what to speak about. I'm from Australia. I love drawing fantasy. I started out drawing all my D&D characters and my old group's D&D characters. I've tried a couple of times to get commissions going, but I don't know if it's the time zone or if I'm just not that good, but I've never really been able to get it off the ground. I just like drawing pretty fantasy girls. I wish I could draw hot fantasy guys, but my male anatomy needs a lot of work. That is a side project. If there's anything you want to know about me or my art, if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Subscribe, as the kids say. I'd love to hear from you. Enjoy the video.